Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So today I'm going to show you the 5 settings that can instantly boost your Instagram Reels and help your videos go viral even if you are a beginner. So these settings are easy, quick, and trust me, most creators don't even know they exist. So let's just jump right in. So why these 5 settings matter? First, Instagram algorithm loves creators who optimize their reels properly. So just fixing these 5 settings can make your videos reach thousands, even millions more people. So let's start with the most important one. So the first one, you can go to your Instagram settings. You can just here click on your photo and go to settings and go to account, or you can just search for media quality directly. This one, just search for media and it will show up. Okay, this is the media upload quality. So you need to make sure that this is turned on, upload at highest quality. So when this is off, Instagram will automatically adjust upload quality to fit a network conditions. So it is best for you to make this or to make sure that this is on. So this will ensure your reels upload in crisp HD instead of blurry quality. And next one, turn off the front camera mirror off. So before you record a reel, you can go to the Instagram camera settings and turn off the mirror front camera. So just open your Instagram camera and go to the settings, and in here you can just turn this off. So this will make your text, your face angle, and your background looks clean and natural, which increases viewers watch time. And next one, Reels captions on. So now you can go to the Reels editing, and don't forget to always turn on auto captions. So let's say I'm going to upload a reel. Okay, this video, for example, here you can just click on the CC options, and Instagram will generating the captions if there is any. And the next one, don't forget to add keywords in your tags and descriptions. So this is huge. Add keywords inside your reels using tags. For example, you can go with Instagram tips, viral ad reels tutorial, or add the same keywords in your captions. So Instagram now read tags in your video to understand what your context is about and pushes it to the right audience. So don't forget to add keywords in your captions. And the next setting, or the last one, is save it to Reels feed. So when posting, you need to make sure that you turn on the share to feed option. So this will give your reel double exposure, your followers, and also the reel's discovery page. So it massively boosts reach in the first 30 minutes, which is super important for going viral. And that's it. Just by fixing these 5 settings, your reels would get way more views and a much better chance of going viral. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.